I don't know.
Fuck it, let's smoke.
All right, let's take them out. We gotta keep moving. I'll start on the right, you start on the left.
All right.
Ready? Go. All right, let's go. That one's still twitching. Let's go, let's go.
Alpha Patrol report in. Alpha Patrol report in. Alpha Patrol report in. Alpha Patrol report in.
I got comms. I should let them know we're coming in. This is Alpha Patrol. I got him! I
Hallo, mein Name ist Herr Dr. Krause. I've been brought here to Wisconsin as the #1 German hematologist to study this breakout that has occurred here. This is my workstation thus far, and it's not bad. It's not what I'm used to back in Hamburg, but I will make do. You see, I've been sent here to quash or to find an answer for this breakout of sorts. It's like a rabies, like the animals have. They feast on the flesh, they feast on anything they can get their hands on. It's a mess. This isn't bad. I only have a few blood samples thus far. I will promise, we are on the move in the next couple of days. Yes, then I will have the cure. As the #1 hematologist in all of Germany, I will find the answer. I promise it. This I promise. This is my medical log. My second medical log, you see.
We got contact, moving!
This happens quite often, you see. We are in a very open spot, and these creatures keep coming in larger and larger numbers each and every time. We don't know what's
Sir,
going
I'm sorry,
on. Yes.
it's not safe. You're gonna have to come with me. Come with me. Ah!
My God!
There's so many of them! Ah! Inside, sir. Ah!
My name is Herr Dr. Krause. I come from Bremen, Hamburg University. I'm here discovering this new virus that has broken out. It is my responsibility to find the answer, the cure for this. So far, I'm left here in this wilderness. Soldiers, American soldiers. This is my lab facility. This is mir scheißegal. This is nothing.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Yeah, morning to you too. You see, the infection broke out about 2 weeks ago, here in Wisconsin. I don't know where they are. I don't have the cure. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. I have nothing! see. You're gonna be moving soon. Away from this god-forsaken place. I can share my own laboratory again, yeah? My own laboratory, assistants, interns, doctors. Oh, here, machinery. That's a good one, yeah. All I have is syringes and blood types from different specimens. Now I believe I have found it. Maybe, perhaps, a name for this. It's called Bacteria 113. Bacteria 113. I think this is it. I'm onto something. I'm onto something.
It's another day.
This bullshit guard detail.
What the hell are we doing out here? Oh,
I have nothing.
I have nothing. I have nothing! In these working conditions, I have nothing! Ah!
Sir, I got something.
Nope.
Hey! Hey, you!
hey! Put your hands up!
Put your hands on your head!
Put your hands up!
Put your hands on your head now!
Those guys over there.
Put your hands
Put your hands up!
Hands up!
It's okay.
Check him! Check him! Check him!
Hands up! Right there, stop! That's good. Turn around!
I'm all right.
Turn around! Keep your hands up! Are you bitten anywhere?
No pain or what? No, I'm all right.
He's clear, sir.
All right. All right.
Nice.
Okay. Okay. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Whoa. Hey. Settle down.
down,
Settle
calm
down.
down.
Hey. Let's get you some water. Come on.
Water, yeah, water's good. I've
on,
been
man.
running for a while. It's okay. Those people, you guys need to
Hey.
get
Hey.
down.
Whoa.
No,
Just settle down.
hey,
We'll get
you
you
know
some
about
water.
the
We'll go in
situation,
there.
all right?
Wait, what's going on? Hey, don't understand. No, it's okay. No.
Sir.
Just hold on a minute.
Take control of him right now!
What?
Sir?
No, I'm not bit. It's all right.
All right. All right. Hey. Hey.
Yes,
Put
sir.
your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hands up! Hands on your
Put your hands up.
It's okay. So what's going on?
Put him in the cage.
What?
Sir.
Put him in the cage!
That
Now!
was one of them.
Put him in the cage!
No,
Yes.
Now!
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir.
That was one of them. No. What the
fuck are we doing?
People. Those are the people.
Let's get crazy.
No.
I know
No.
we're supposed to follow all his orders, but
No, you don't. You're not. You're doing it wrong. No.
hold him.
What are you guys doing?
Hold him. I got it.
What are you guys
Shut up!
Get in there!
Get in there! Get! Lock it. Lock it.
Get him off me! Get him off me! Get him off me! Get him off me!
Sir.
Get him off! Get out here! Get out of here!
Bring him into my lab right now. Bring him in.
All right. Take him down. Take him down.
What the hell's going on?
All right. Bring him in. Bring him in.
Sir?
Bring him in. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hands up!
Yo, I'm bleeding.
Take him in.
What's going on?
I don't know. I don't know.
Just get moving!
Just do what you're told.
Quiet.
Yes, sir.
Get moving.
Get him in! Get him in! Get him in!
Get in there. Go.
Sergeant, look at me.
No one knows this.
No one's find out.
Yes, sir.
Make sure no one comes in here. No one.
Yes, sir. Just another day.
Yeah.
Just another day.